I want to make a follow-up comment on my, in addition to my last rebuild rescue comment. Um, Now, some of the videos I watched, on the aircraft, gosh, what the Grumman Kruger twin-engine aircraft. Some of them had, somebody said the engine had quit, but it's got two engines. I think if, it might have been it might have had some adverse yaw to it. It might have pulled to one side with a good engine, but I think the pilot would have still been able to recover if one engine had cut out. So I'll leave that to the FAA and the NTSB to figure that one out. But another some other videos that said they did it on the cheap and on the quick, but everything that he did was certified by FAA, like APs, certified FAA inspectors. So I don't think that really is the answer. But I said, I'll leave that up to the NTSB and the FAA to figure that one out. And I'll send my condolences to the families. And I made the main guy there was Jason that had the rebuild channel. I send my condolences to him. And once he figures out what he's going to do with everything, I'm sure he won't post a video for days or weeks until he gets his thoughts and affairs in order. Leave all the services. But I'm sure he'll do some type of tribute video to the uh, the oh the guy that died in the wreck. Okay, bye bye.